Good morning, America, and good evening, India. Here is a breaking news from India. Reacting to reports based on satellite images of construction activities by China in an area claimed to be Indian territory, the government said Beijing has undertaken infrastructure constructions along border areas in the past several years and that Delhi has also built border roads and bridges to improve local connectivity. The MES comments came in the wake of reports based on photographs put out by US-based imaging company Planet Labs, which claimed a village with 101 houses had come up along the river Teshrichu in the upper Subansari districts in Arunachal Pradesh, where there was no construction in August 2019. The photographs are said to be of November 2020, at a time when the Ladakh standoff was on. We have seen recent reports on China undertaking construction work along the border areas with India. China has undertaken such construction activity in the past several years, the MES said. Yes, our government too has stepped up border infrastructure, including construction of roads, bridges, which has provided much needed connectivity to the local population along the border. The issue was swiftly taken up by Congress, with former Minister Manish Tiwari seeking a response from the PM. This is very, very serious. Not troops, but whole villages. For God's sake, PMO or Rajnath Singh should tell the nation as to whether this is true or false, he said. The government statement appears to indicate that Chinese activity has been on for some time. Defense analyst Abhijit Iyer Mitra tweeted, "This village 5 km inside the Indian border was built in November 2020 at least and entirely without opposition or challenge from India. All Pakka buildings house up to 2,000 people. Full-blown occupation of Indian land." The MEA asserted that the India government remains committed to the objective of creating infrastructure along the border areas for the improvement of livelihood of its citizens, including in Arunachal Pradesh. The government keeps constant watch on development having a bearing on India's security and takes all necessary measures to safeguard its sovereignty and territorial integrity, it added. The report said the village was located in an area disputed by India and China. BJP's Arunachal Pradesh MP Tapir Gao has previously spoken of incursions in borders areas of the state. India and China have been locked in an armed standoff in eastern Ladakh since May 2020. The satellite images show that China was constructing the village in midst of the standoff. Tapir Gao told to TV Channel on Monday, construction is still on. China has entered more than 60 to 70 km inside the upper Subansari district. If you follow the path along the river, they are constructing a road along the river known locally as the Lansi. BN Das report for Shakti TV USA.